Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download songs on Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Spotify app. Go to the album you want to download. To download an album, tap the downwards arrow next to the heart icon. A downward facing arrow will appear underneath each song in the album. It'll turn green as the download completes. To download a podcast, tap the downwards arrow next to the plus icon. The podcast is successfully downloaded when the downwards arrow turns green. So there you have it. Now you know how to download songs on Spotify. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video did help you out, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.